But then let's jump into it. Like ROFL, rolling on the floor laughing. It doesn't really fit to Oasis. We don't do meme coins. We are rather the serious chain with privacy, really tech focused. So what's behind ROFL?
Well, ROFL is the funny off-chain compute framework. Well, actually, I mean, the reason for the name is actually, related to these meme coins and so on. Like I wanted something that sounded cool, and I was like playing with these different acronyms, and it was like Runtime Offchain Logic. Like, that sounds cool. If you say it like ROFL, you can also put a fancy AI controlled meme coin. You can use ROFL to implement something like that. So it's that was my first thought actually. But it's not done. We need to first do everything around it. But maybe someone can do it for the hackathon. There's a lot of cool use cases. What is ROFL? That's like, let's say it's a framework that basically allows you to develop a custom off-chain logic that can be then easily verifiable on-chain through the use of thieves. And obviously, like, what is all that? Like off-chain logic. That just means programs, applications that run not on-chain. They don't do consensus. They just run asynchronously off-chain, and then they communicate with the on-chain logic through transactions, through events, and so on. So it's just a fancy name, for what has been done in Web2 since forever. But now basically ROFL makes it possible to make this verifiable, because that's the problem, right? You can just run some computation off chain, but how do you know that it's actually the correct computation that has been run? How can you trust it with secrets, for example? That's hard, right? So you can do different things. And obviously ROFL, the point of it is to try to make it as easy as possible to use by abstracting all the underlying infrastructure that is needed to make it actually secure, because it's for developers it's easy to get started, but then under the hood a lot of stuff is happening, leveraging the Oasis network. So that may be like a brief summary of what is ROFL.